So when I was growing up, my mom used to insist that I wash my socks inside out, and that used to irritate me really. But it instilled a love for socks, and suddenly I was careful which socks I'm wearing, with what and how. And if you look at our logo, when you turn it upside down, is a shape of the heart, meaning that at the heart of the brand is our people. At the heart of a brand is our love for what we're doing. Skinny Spoon Socks is an international sock brand. What we do is we want to give the modern gentleman a sense of style and a sense of confidence and enhance his style, and also set him apart from the crowd by providing high quality designer socks that are only limited to 250 people out of 7 billion people in the world. Now, what happened is that when I came to the Linja program 6 months ago, I was really running my business like a spaza shop, It was a hand-to-mouth situation. And I was only selling 50 socks a month. They were not branded. I was not designing them myself. And I started taking charge of my business when I was in charge of the design and production element. And after our initial hypothesis was that we thought people were comfortable with ordering our product via WhatsApp, and I was totally wrong. And I insisted that people are going to move into WhatsApp, people are on WhatsApp. And after conducting an interview with 30 people and really listening to over 500 people who've been buying our socks, we decided to pivot towards going an online platform, which is going to be a home for Skinny Spoon Socks. And what I'm happy to say today is that our brand new range is going to be distributed via spree.co.za and zeno.co.za as of next month. In the past 4 months, we've sold close to 2,500 socks. We have a following of 7,600 people. This is an asset for a brand like Skinny Spoon Socks, to have people who are going to evangelize on behalf of the brand, to advocate on behalf of the brand, and share and like. When what we've done very well, which is something I'm very proud of myself and my team, is we've been able to sell content to the media in exchange of free marketing and PR, and we've done this very well. And we've been featured on platforms like CNN International. Judges, the ultimate plan really is to have an international brand that's going to compete with the likes of Tom Ford, who's currently selling a pair for 750, which is going to be classified as a luxury brand, close to Louis Vuitton, Bentley, and them. But ultimately, what I want is to have my own sock factory. You're probably asking yourself, after this long speech or story, what do I want? Judges, I need 130,000 rands. 20,000 of that money is going to go towards developing a world-class website for Skinny Spoon Socks. 50,000 is the development of a